Billions of tablets are manufactured every day. But without the right disintegrant, even the best formulation can fail. From the moment a tablet meets water, the disintegrant makes all the difference. CELTAB, Sodium Starch Glycolate Super Disintegrant by Maple Biotech. CELTAB is a cross-linked substituted potato starch engineered for one purpose: rapid, reliable tablet disintegration. The moment water contacts CELTAB, it swells up to 300 times its original volume, breaking the tablet apart within seconds and releasing the active ingredient for fast absorption. Unlike conventional disintegrants, CELTAB shows low sensitivity to electrolytes, making it compatible with a wide range of APIs and excipients. Effective at just 2 to 8% concentration, CELTAB works across multiple manufacturing methods: direct compression, wet granulation, and dry granulation, without compromising tablet hardness. Available in Type A, Type B, and Type C, each grade precisely engineered to meet IP, USP, BP, and PHUR pharmacopoeia standards. CELTAB, fast disintegration, faster dissolution, formulated for performance. From Maple Biotech, improve your tablets and capsules starting today.